Okay. We learn about the color here. The red and the come from here red. You understand? Yeah. A little bit of red onion. Okay. You see? Yeah. See here. Understand? Understand? So we can go here.
I like it purple.
Okay. So which color you want some for here? So I think what color? It's a little bit brown here. So we start with brown here. Oh no, that's good. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Brown here.
Brown here.
You want to try some? Okay, you can try. Okay. Let's try. You know what? Here is must be a little bit dark here. You know, dark here, dark is a little bit white. So we put dark here a little bit. You know, it's strong. You see what I did? You see? Okay. You can learn more here, right?
Okay.
See? So the next step you can do follow as me, right? So you can do like this, you know, and then a little bit back. You look nice better, right? Okay, let's start another side here. You understand? So next time you can do well, right? After a few things that I show you, so you can do your own painting, right? Okay, we start with this.
Nice.
Start with this. Nice. Look better, right?
Yes.
It's better. Okay, good. So here it's not yet. So we can put more here, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Looks better, right? Yeah. So you start like this. Point to here and take to here. And then point to here and like this. You understand?
Oh,
yes. Yes.
Yes.
Point to here and then you quick straight like this, you know. And here must be like you put your color to here, right?
Yes.
So the middle one I like this one, you know. You put in the middle. Wow, looks nice. You right? Better, right?
Me.
Okay, good. Look better, right? Okay, you can start do. This one in the middle, you know. This one. Okay, you started one first. Okay, you want, you know.
Okay.
But the next step is you use this one in the middle. Look better, okay? A little bit nice. Okay, good job. Do more quick. No, you can start slow, but the next is quick, you know. So do like this, you see. Okay, yeah.
Okay, okay.
And then you go like this. Okay. Okay. Eat it.
Like this.
You know, at the end here in the dark, this is dark, right? So in the dark is more dark here with the red, dark red. You know. Okay. And in the middle is a little bit white and another color. So you can start with this. Okay. Start. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, don't worry, okay, stop, don't worry, okay, don't worry. Okay. No, you have to follow this line, you know. You saw this line from here to here straight, so you do the same, yeah? You see they do before like this. So we do the same, you understand? Okay, yeah, okay. We not do like you like this, okay? Yeah, keep. Okay. Look better, right? Okay, you like it? Okay, you put the yellow in the middle, okay?
Okay.
To make it nice, better, yeah? Wow, it's good, yeah, you can do it, okay? Turn it a little bit, okay, you start. Okay. More. To here, okay?
Yes.
That's good. Here the same. Put this one, here the same, yeah? So we start with this one, and here, okay? And here also the same, and here the same. Start more, okay, do it. More and more.